there's a police house, somebody up here. We're going to go up and get a look at this here. So police are searching somebody up here. Yeah. Well, what are they searching you for, lad? You don't mind me asking what they're searching you for? Suspicious. I know he doesn't, but he does. He can if he wants, but you know what I mean? Have they got their body cam on, mate, while they're doing a search, mate? Because every search has to be recorded, mate. Just recording for your protection, mate. Just recording for your protection.
I'm going to ask him some personal details.
That's alright, well, that's alright. That's alright. There's plenty of space there, lad. Plenty of space there, lad. So there is. You know. Yeah, man, that's what I'm saying. I don't want his details. I don't want his details.
Sort of obstructive, CJ, so just give us a wee bit more space.
I'm not obstructing. Don't touch me, please. Don't touch me. Come on.
I'm trying to do
well, you can ask. I'm going to kindly decline.
Step back.
I'm going to kindly decline.
I need you to step back now, or you'll be obstructing me. And
I'm not obstructing. How am I obstructing you and you're facing him?
You're interfering.
Well, I'm not interfering.
You are interfering.
No, don't be silly now. Don't be silly now. Come on now. Stop trying to stamp the authority. Look, I'm nowhere near you.
I've got a call from him.
I'm nowhere near you. I'm a good.
Okay.
I've plenty of space between us. There you go, folks. Look at the space. Look. Plenty of space between us here. Plenty of space. You know what I mean? Just recording for this man's safety here. Like, the police are getting hands on and getting him in the face. You know what I mean, man? I've no interest in the guy's details. Like, I've no interest in his details. Just want to make sure everything's legit and above board. We're not obstructing nobody, look. Plenty of space between us, folks. We're at a safe distance, folks. We are at a safe distance here, like. I'm well out of reach from these officers here. Or constables, I should say, like, you know. Yeah, man. Alright, mate. I'm only recording for your safety, mate. Yeah, I don't want his details. I'm not taking your details, mate, so I'm not. Don't worry about that, lad. No interest in your details, mate. So I'm not. So I haven't. Stopping this young lady here as well. So they are. Alright, man. Stopping this young lady as well. Belfast, you know. Hey there.
So these guys are human trafficking, so I don't know if it's them here, but yeah, here in Belfast I was human trafficking.
Pardon?
Here in Belfast I was joking about the anteroom and I was took to where the penthouse where the big fish was.
Yeah.
The police actually escorted my lifeless body and then dropped my lifeless body back on the Antrim Road. The Manor Hospital covered it up. The Spar shop hid the camera evidence. So yeah, there's not just PDD having the parties. Anyway, I'm a Christy now and off the drugs and people are put to, it almost sounds like something off a movie. And all the kids was abused and care.
Oh, here. I know where you're coming from, love. Be safe, alright, man? Be safe. Here they are. Something to say there, anyway, like, you know. I was gonna say, like, these cops know who I am, so why are they even trying to say I'm obstructing them? Like, it's anything to get their hands on me. That's exactly what it's about. It's anything to get their hands on me. Him coming into my face. No need for that. No need for that. I'm standing at a safe distance. I know what way it rolls. I know what way it goes. You know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah. Look at this wee number. It's 54118. So it is. Yeah, I'll get this other guys here when we're here as well. It's 51283. Yeah. So I'm saying, folks, we're at a safe distance, like. I'll say that there, like, how you doing? Alright, man. So yeah, so no cop getting in my face. What's all that about, like? What's all that about? Obviously they're searching here for stuff. And that's what I'm saying, man, I don't want his details, so I don't, like, you know. I'll make sure the body warrant's on because there's two other cops coming along here that are coming for me. I don't know. He's slamming about obstruction there, like, there's nowhere near them. Here we go. She's on a mission anyway. she's on a mission. You know, so we'll just keep an eye on these two here. 53729. There's one. Is that lady's number there? Can't see that big guys are 54125. How you doing, boy?
Charles, you doing alright?
Oh, I'm doing 100%, lad. Yourself? All good, mate. I hope he's not filling you full of misinformation that I was obstructing this, was he? No? That's alright. It's just seen the two of coming up there in a hurry, man. Yeah, so please call them my name out as if they know me, you know what I mean? But they shouldn't be doing that, man. They should be doing that. It's GDPR, so what is like charge as if he's my friend or that. None of these guys are your friends, by the way, folks. Just because they know your name doesn't mean they're your friends. They shouldn't be calling you your name, so they shouldn't. And public, so they shouldn't, you know. Right up. So yeah, I reckon these guys have been, I'll say nothing, I'll say nothing. I can see the City Beat Jeep up there, so we'll call parked up there, folks, and below that up there, sports shop. Yeah. Man, you know, watch him get on my hand, man. You know what they're like, putting their hands and all on me, like trying to go down the road of destruction, like when I was nowhere near him, and he came into my space, like. So yeah, so this is serious tactics, man, with them to try and get they try and do this all the time with me here. Try and instigate stuff with me every week. So they do. If you've been watching the videos, this is exactly what they do here in Belfast, especially with myself. Try and provoke me into a reaction or something like, but it ain't gonna happen, man. You know. Okay, big man. Oh, 100%, lad. Yourself? I'll help the shoplifters by, well, I don't know, allegedly, I don't know. Yeah, they should ask these people that want to go somewhere private for a search, you know.
Alright.
Yeah, you should definitely ask these people that want to go somewhere private for a search, like other than stand on the street. They could have, there's a corner up there, they could have took them round the corner and done what they had to do round the corner, but no, they just search them here around the public, like, you know. Bit of dignity there, just put them out of the way, out of sight of people, you know. And that's in their own codes of practice, man, so it is, like, while searching people. Plus the fact their body worn should be switched on every search, regardless, every search. Their body worn should be recording it. That's under the codes of practice as well. That comes under the body cams as well. But yeah. So to say, like, I wasn't even close enough there anyway to get.
No,
you're alright, I'll walk away. I'll search the bags. Oh, I heard him saying something about the van there, so I don't know if somebody's going to get arrested here or what, you know. We'll find out in a minute, I suppose. Just want to get a nice wee screenshot. Definitely not obstructing in this, mate. But this guy's cuffed here at the minute, like, so. in this right straight. Yes. What arrest you for, lad? Suspicion. What is suspicion of shoplifting, lad, or something? Mate, you can speak to me all you want, mate. He's not your daddy, he can't tell you what to do. You can speak to me. The policeman telling him not to speak to me, mate. Mate, you have your own mind, mate. You can do what you want, lad. That's what I'm saying, mate. So this guy's in cuffs here, folks. Under suspicion. You won't tell me what. I would allege. I would allege.
That's for me a publication.
It's not a publication thing. Yes.
So this guy will be going to custody here by the looks of it. Wee hugger from his missus. Yeah. So as you can see there, I wasn't stuck in the search room, man. Nowhere near the search, man, so I'm not. This boy knows me too, from put hands on me and get in my face. It's unreal, man. Unreal.
I really appreciate that.
My opinion is that's how I feel. My husband's in the army, don't do the job. But yeah, I find
Alright, lad, all the best, mate. Here, hit the notification bell, lad.
the van.
Oh, sorry, love, I'm not in your way, I'm not in your way. Not obstructing here, nothing like. Yeah, folks, the City Beat fans parked up here. He's arrested for suspicion of maybe surmise that it could be shoplifting. Seems the cops have the bag and stuff, you know. But we'll see anyway. Let's see what the crack is, you know. Cops trying to send them obstructing them, like what balloon heads they are, man. What I say, balloon heads, man. Good luck, mate. All the best, mate. So yeah, obstruction didn't work too well for him there, did it? Obstruction didn't work too well for that guy in there, chancing his arm early. Chancing his arm early. Obstruction. What a balloon head, man. Yeah. Tires and all look good and all on that, like, you know. What happened? Boy arrested there, mate, under suspicion, I think, shoplifting. Don't quote me on that, mate. Yeah. Yeah, I've stopped the fake one anyway, so, yeah. We'll get back to the paddystine here in a minute, folks. We'll go back to the paddystine in a minute, man. So we'll obstruction, mom. Do you ever you're nearly going hands on, like, you know. So, is he still slobbering in there? Is he still moving in there?
Nobody's moving.
The only friends call me Charles. You're not my friend, man. Don't be calling me by my first name, please.
Okay, fair enough.
Sir will do. For a good citizen, please.
Mr. Johnston, surely if we're being proper and polite.
Yeah, to hear, if you want to go down the road of breaching GDPR in a public space by calling my name out, go ahead, lad. Go ahead, call it out.
I'm just
call it out. You don't know me. You don't know me.
Here.
Yeah, folks, so there these guys get on their way here. Yeah. We'll have his number anyway, so we do, folks. We'll let them go on, man. You're knocking people down, look. no hazards on, no nothing, no more traffic, they're coming out, you know. Yeah, folks, we're back to these paddystines, see what the crack is there, like. We're back to the old paddystines.